cleanser, and then afterwards I will cook something to eat for my breakfast, and then later I'm going to wash my dirty clothes. Yeah, I went the day before at the grocery and bought something to cook for the day. This is my usual activity every morning, cleaning my face and my neck.